Address bar shortcuts. Search with your default search engine. Windows and Linux shortcut, type a search term plus enter. Mac shortcuts, type a search term plus enter. Pause the video and try. Add www and com to a site name, and open in the current tab. Windows and Linux shortcut, type a site name plus Control plus enter. Mac shortcuts, type a site name plus Control plus enter. Pause the video and try. Open a new tab and perform a Google search. Windows and Linux shortcut, type a search term plus Alt plus enter. Mac shortcuts, type a web address plus Command plus enter. Pause the video and try. Jump to the address bar. Windows and Linux shortcut, Control plus L or Alt plus D or F6. Mac shortcuts, Command plus L. Pause the video and try. Search from anywhere on the page. Windows and Linux shortcut, Control plus K or Control plus E. Pause the video and try. Remove predictions from your address bar. Windows and Linux shortcut, down arrow to highlight plus Shift plus delete. Mac shortcuts, down arrow to highlight plus Shift plus Fn plus delete. Pause the video and try. Thank you.